This is the diagram of circulatory system. Heart acts as a pump and circulate oxygenated blood throughout the body and deoxygenated blood through the lungs for oxygenation. Heart made up of 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are known as atria and lower 2 chambers are known as ventricle. There are 2 valves are present in between the atria and ventricle. First is the tricuspid valve, which is present between the right atrium and right ventricle. Second is the mitral or bicuspid valve, which is present between left atrium and left ventricle. Now we are going to see the circulatory system and how it works throughout the body. Deoxygenated blood from whole body come to right atrium through superior and inferior vena cava. With the contraction of right atria, deoxygenated blood enters into right ventricle via opening of tricuspid valve. From right ventricle, deoxygenated blood enters into pulmonary trunk as soon as the right ventricle contracts, and the deoxygenated blood enter into the pulmonary trunk with the opening of pulmonary semilunar valves. Pulmonary trunk divides in right and left pulmonary artery. These are the only arteries in the body which carries deoxygenated blood. Right and left pulmonary artery goes to right and left lung, where it divides into capillaries which surrounds alveoli. At this site, the oxygenation of the blood takes place. Now oxygenated blood enters into left atrium. With the contraction of left atrium, oxygenated blood enters into left ventricle with the opening of mitral valve. When left ventricle contracts, it pumps oxygenated blood to aorta with the opening of aortic semilunar valve. From aorta, oxygenated blood goes to other systemic arteries and divides into capillaries. At the level of capillaries, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place between blood and body cells. Once the exchange is completed, now the capillary blood becomes deoxygenated without oxygen. Now this deoxygenated blood from the whole of the body go to the right atrium via superior and inferior vena cava. So this is the circulation of blood throughout the body.